I know I'm not the only one who has experienced this. When scrolling online, as one usually does, you often come across different items that you like and want to purchase. But in the process, you realize that they can only be bought outside the country, or if they are found in the country, they are higher than their MSRP. So you try and look for ways to import the item, but then the importation fees just hit you across the face like, not today. I recently faced the same issue when trying to buy and import a phone from an online shop that operates outside the country. I was able to maneuver and overcome the issues I previously mentioned, and here's how I did it and how you can also do the same. There are a lot of different companies that offer international shipping, but the only one I am going to focus on in this video is called Kentex Cargo because it's the one I use to ship my item. They are a logistics company that offers both air and ocean shipping for goods bought from the US to Kenya. Air delivery period, as per their website, is 7 to 10 days, something that I highly doubt, but we'll see. Ocean shipping takes a bit longer with durations of 60 to 75 days. But the thing I noticed is that these delivery dates are affected by the time your orders arrive at their warehouses because of their loading days. For any item you order and ship by air, your item needs to have arrived at their warehouse by Tuesday for it to be loaded for shipping the same week. If it arrives at their warehouse, let's say on Wednesday, it will have to wait until the next week on Tuesday for it to be processed and loaded for shipping. For ocean shipping, items are loaded on the last Friday of the month. So if you order your item at the beginning of the month, you'll have to wait until the last Friday of the last week of that month for your item to be loaded and shipped. Now, the reason why I chose this shipping company was the Delaware address they offer to avoid paying sales tax when ordering an item. You know, you need to save some money wherever you can. To make this simple, here's how it works. When ordering an item from the US, a tax is added on top of the item's price during checkout. The tax varies depending on the state in which the item is to be shipped to. Delaware State is one of the states in the US that doesn't apply a sales tax on items ordered online. And so when I saw that Kentex Cargo offers a Delaware address to ship your items to, I was excited, only to be disappointed when I went to open an account with them. They do offer that address, but you first have to pay an annual fee of 90, was it 97? Yeah, $97 to use that address. So disappointed. The address that I was left to use was a Texas address, which charges a 6% sales tax based on the price of the item you order. But it's good news for people who plan on ordering items regularly. Just pay the annual fee and get access to the Delaware address. But for someone like me ordering just one item, it's not the most convenient shipping company to use. But oh well, we move. Now, when it comes to cost, they charge a fee of $15 per kg because that's what I paid. They charge a fee of $15 per kg for items being shipped by air and $30 for a cubic foot if you choose to use ocean shipping as of the time of making this video. The cost increases with weight if you choose to ship by air and size if you ship by ship. On top of all of this, they also charge a 5% non-refundable insurance fee for any package above $100. In summary, the charges you need to consider are as follows. So one, there's the price of the item you're buying. Next, there's the sales tax applied on top of that. And then the shipping charge per kg of the item ordered, and also a 5% insurance charge of any item that costs above $200. So 4 things to consider. So now let's get into ordering an item. The first thing you need to do is visit Kentex Cargo's website and create an account. All that's required is your first and last name, your email address, and then set a password for your account. You'll then be taken to their dashboard. Navigate to the left and click on My US Addresses. This is where you'll get the Texas address that you'll input when ordering your item. Now head over to your online shopping site of choice, which could be anything as long as it's in the US. The site I'm using today is Back Market because I want to purchase a refurbished phone. If you're not familiar with the refurbished phones, you can check out my video on refurbished devices. I'll link it below in the description. So create an account on the site, search for your item of choice, then add it to cart. It is here that the Texas address we got from Kentex Cargo will be used. Under shipping address, input that address we got from Kentex's website, pay for your item, and then we're done. And if you're still with me up to this point, feel free to subscribe. The last thing in the process is taking the tracking number and name of the courier, fulfilling the order, and head back to Kentex Cargo's website. On the left tab, click on New Order, and under that, click on Shipping Only Order. Now take that tracking number and name of the carrier and input it here. Fill in the other details as per required, and then click on Save Package and Products at the very bottom of the page. Now we're done. All we have to do is wait for item to arrive. An eternity later. As I predicted, it wouldn't take 10 days for the item to be shipped to me. I ordered the item on 31st October and it was delivered to Kentex Cargo's warehouse on 2nd November. It took Kentex 25 days to ship my item to Kenya. I got a confirmation email on the 27th to go and pick up my item in Nairobi. But I feel like I should give them the benefit of doubt since I ordered my item during, the busiest month for online shopping, which is November. But still, 25 days it's crazy. I have already opened it to make sure whatever I ordered is what came. And to their credit, the package was intact and in good condition. So I hope this video helps you in one way or another. And if you'd like to see a review of other shipping companies, let me know in the comments. Engage with me if you have anything, questions regarding the process. Yeah, anything, just comment down below and I'll respond. And as always, stay curious and tech savvy. Bye.